Okay, a bit of an impromptu video here, but something happened that I don't quite understand. I've been following the videos by Tin Man when he's been making supercapacitors, so I got some bits together and I thought, let's have a see what happens. And what did happen is why I'm making the video. Now this bag here is salvaged rubbish from a toaster oven that I fixed up and cleaned out, and all this carbon type stuff was in the bottom of the toaster oven. The other carbon here is this stuff, the fluval edge it is. It's for fish tanks. I'm not sure if it's activated or not. But basically I put the two together and I'm able to get like a volt plus with no charging at all, using vinegar as the electrolyte. So I'm going to make one quickly, and in fact I can make one. I made a couple of these now, and I can make one about as quickly as boiling a kettle. So I'm going to get a piece of kitchen roll. I'm going to get 2 pieces of aluminium foil. These are the current collectors, you may say. I'm going to tear some off. Put that in half. Okay, so first of all, put the first piece down. Take some of the toaster oven stuff. I mean, look how ridiculously easy all this is to do, but I don't know if it's doing anything that's of interest. And this is why I'm making the video. I'd like to know people's opinions. So there we are, a little bit of that on that piece. And I'll put this kitchen roll over the top, leaving a small place there because that's where I'm going to put the multimeter. And I'm going to take some of this, just a little bit. I'm not crushing anything down or anything at the moment. Put that on the top. And this couldn't get, you know, worse for a method or easier for a method. And I'll put that on top of there. Now what do you think might happen? This is a bit of the distilled white vinegar in a little bottle. So I just put a couple of drops on there. Now really, what are we expecting to see? It's not even wet all the way down there or anything. If I turn on the multimeter, and hopefully you can see this in shot, and I put the 2 probes across, well, there we are, 0.7 of a volt. If I press more, press down, you can get more, and if I release off, you'll see less of a reading. Well, basically I press down, you can get, there we are, 0.9 of a volt. So there you can see the way that my thinking is going, that if I put some pressure on with some kind of system, maybe similar to Tin Man's, where he's got in a little tube thing with a spring, then something may happen. But here's a little blocking oscillator. Now wait a minute, which way round is the voltage? So it's the red on the top. Okay, so that's the positive. And if I put this down, a little blocking oscillator like I say, just give me a second to arrange which way I'm doing this. Hopefully, so you'll be able to see it. I don't want my hand in the way. If I put that there and I put that there and I press down, look at that. The oscillator kicks in with a really nice firing rate as well. Hopefully you can see that. Yeah, see that on the video. And the first one of these ran for a couple of days until the bit of vinegar, the couple of drops of vinegar, dried out. So the next part for hopefully a follow-up video is how to do something a bit more permanent, perhaps put it in a capacitor can or something, because they're aluminium as well, and do something with this because there's no charging going on. I don't know if it can charge. It's obviously putting out enough to run something like a blocking oscillator. So there you are, that's what I'm wondering about. What is going on here? What we've got is 2 different types of carbon, a slightly acidic electrolyte in the vinegar, and it's able to run things like a salt cell of the old days without the salts. So I hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.